What if the secret to living long? And even better mental well-being. All these factors collectively contribute to overall health and ultimately longevity. The way Danes consume rye bread is as important as the bread itself. It is not merely a side dish or an afterthought. It is an integral part of meals. Often, rye bread serves as the very foundation of a meal, providing a robust and nutritious base. This is best exemplified by smørrebrød, the iconic Danish open-faced sandwich. Smørrebrød is a common lunch staple, where a slice of rye bread is piled high with nutritious toppings. These toppings often include fish, such as herring or salmon, fresh vegetables, and lean meats. This tradition encourages a balanced and diverse diet. The combination of nutrient-dense toppings with the wholesome rye bread amplifies the overall health benefits. It transforms a simple slice of bread into a complete health-promoting meal. In conclusion, Danish rye bread is far more than just a culinary preference. It is a cornerstone of the Danish healthy lifestyle, deeply embedded in their daily routines. Its cumulative health rewards are profound and far-reaching. Regular consumption of rye bread leads to improved blood sugar control, a crucial factor in preventing chronic diseases. It ensures enhanced nutrient absorption, maximizing the benefits from your food. Furthermore, it fosters a thriving gut microbiome, which is increasingly recognized as central to overall health. These benefits collectively contribute to the impressive longevity observed in Denmark. They also play a significant role in fostering overall health and happiness among its citizens. The humble slice of rye bread truly embodies a powerful secret to a long and vibrant life. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment, and please share your favorite healthy foods. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.